Headlines, things that you need to know about today is it's still seasonable for the last day of 2024, finally, right? And this is coming after a day where we had a temperature of 82 degrees, cool and dry this week. The coldest air of the season, that is set to arrive next week, all as an Arctic front comes in, and I'll show you that in a bit. But first I want to show you the actual temperature. 52 degrees right now with a north wind at about 15 miles per hour. That breezy north wind is the reason why temperatures are not going to be warming up all that much today. About 55 degrees at 1, 57 degrees around 3, and 56 degrees around 5 with that north wind at 10 to 20. By this evening, we'll be at about 48 degrees. That happens around 7. By that point, the sun has already set and those temperatures will continue to drop. So highs today will actually be very close to normal for this time of the year. 56 degrees in Fort Worth, 57 in Dallas, 55 in Denton, 54 in McKinney. Normal is 56, so we're right around that across all of North Texas with clear skies overhead. This evening, 48 degrees around 7. 46 degrees around 9, 42 degrees around midnight as we bring in 2025 with a light wind, clear skies overhead, no weather-related issues expected across North Texas tonight other than the chill. After midnight, though, temperatures will continue to drop. About 37 degrees in Dallas and in Fort Worth, 34 in Denton, and about 35 in McKinney. Now, tomorrow afternoon, temperatures will not be really as warm as today. Will be a little bit cooler, and it's because we're starting off cooler. About 53 in Dallas, 52 in Fort Worth, 53 in Denton, and in McKinney. So the first day of 2025, well, it's off to a cool start. We are going to keep the 50s in the forecast for the rest of the week. We have a weak front that moves in on Thursday night into Friday. It'll help drop temperatures by a couple of degrees, not by too much. It stays dry, although we will see a little cloud cover with that one. 58 on Saturday, 55 on Sunday ahead of our next strong cold front. So here's the thing. The cold front that came through yesterday, that brought in cold air from Canada. What we're tracking for next week is going to be pretty much a pocket of air that comes from the Arctic, and that's why it'll be colder than this previous cold front. So this Arctic front is going to sink towards the lower 48, including Texas, and that's what brings likely the coldest stretch of weather that we've had this season so far. So this is what it could look like. There's still plenty of time for this to change. That front that comes in on Sunday could bring in some showers and thunderstorms. Eastern third of North Texas. This is Sunday around 11, closer to noon, and behind it, cold, dry air. So we'll see this kind of get pushed towards the southeast. As of now, it looks like this will continue to drop the temperatures for the first half of next week. As far as any rain, again, most of it on Sunday, we could pick up a tenth. The more east you are, the more likely you are to see slightly higher amounts. But as of now, it doesn't look like this will be a big washout for us. And right now, it does look like that cold air, that'll wait to get here until Sunday night, Monday morning. So again, the rest of the week, we're looking at highs in the 50s, morning lows in the 30s, which again is pretty normal for this time of the year. And then next week, starting on Monday, morning lows in the 30s, mid 40s on Monday. High temperatures could be in the low 40s come Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday with morning lows in the 20s. That means we could see a stretch of mornings with freezing temperatures. Again, this is still a full week away, so it has time to change. We are going to get more data in the next few days, so we can fine tune that timing and those exact numbers. So be sure to keep checking back in, Dia.
We definitely will, Marielle. Thanks for that.